Well, go on, people. Thanks for back to the Pattern News Network. Big up on yourself. You don't know. Now, people, I know we never did say it when it actually did happen, but we just want to say it now. We want to big up all our new followers, them. Big up everybody because we did 2,000 odd subscribers now on our YouTube channel. Big up on yourself. Big up all the people who follow you on IG, on TikTok, and also on Facebook. As you see me, I smile because today is a good day. It's a wonderful day. What if things are going on today? It's a nice Friday when I read the news. And we look forward to the day. So first thing on the news. Jamaica said to spend 300. What is that? It's not right. No, so I figure you can't right. Give me the correct figure now, please. Because so many. Eh? What do you mean? But they said 360 million. May I get some news here? What me not think make no sense. Jamaica said to spend $360 million for repair work, infrastructure work, and cleanup work and them things around the island with the passage of Hurricane Ian. But as me and you know, Ian, when it was a tropical storm, I will give thanks to God, it never touched Jamaica. I will get a rain. So NWA, we and everybody else in Jamaica have a serious question to ask. I want to get that $360 million figure here from. So what if the tropical storm did touch Jamaica? How much would that be? $1 billion? But anyway, this is Pattern News Network as you know. So we have to do for one of maths to add up and to see how them reach a figure there. Check out the maths how we do. Alright, so the first figure we calculate, it name packet. That's 100 mil. 100 mil you don't know if you're going to small the packet. So 100 mil, name packet. Next 100 mil, name friend and company. Because you don't know, say your friend and your company, them are going to follow them and say you get big contract and them thing. They know, so I want a little thing out tight, a little butter. You see me? On the two side. So the 60 million now, that one name gas and lunch money. Because of course, car have to drive and the man have to eat. Alright, so we're the 260 million now, right? So with the next 100 million I don't know, you must say I said that I use for the work now. No, and I said that one they broke down. 50 million out of the 100 was I call that one the braffing. Because of course Jamaicans have to braff, you know? Braffing is important. I'm out here braffing. We are my friends. We are braffing. Our money never fracture. Next amount now, a $49 million. And the one named miscellaneous. And the next $1 million were left. After road work, infrastructure, upkeep, rebuilding and everything. When it done, it done. That's the only thing we can see what makes sense because $360 million is a whole heap of money. This is why we need teachers. Teachers will teach maths and accounting and business practices and them something because as we can see now, we not do well with the numbers and them thing about management and them something as we can realize, right? With principles that business is bad. So imagine if we get this anyway. We need some answers because something not smell right in our kitchen. Something stink. But next thing on the news, as we talk about teachers and them thing there, the producer them said them have a video for sure. Mr. Maga watch the video and then we return to you and we talk about the next piece of news. Well, so let's say like this. Alright. But to not see me dying try. Blessed assurance. Jesus is mine. So people, me if you don't see the video already with the little schoolgirl from down at Edwin and him rub off the teacher work off of the blackboard. But if you don't see it, see it. You see why teacher them left Jamaica? You see why they're migrating in the dozens? The teacher them fed up. Now imagine you set your lesson plan and you come to school, nice and dress up, and you start to write on the board. And one little bad brown picnic come and rub off everything that you write on the board and say nobody now take no notes and nobody now learn. What you da do? What you would I do? When me I grow up, I'm sure when Una grew up, someone were older. Una would have never dare even think. But figure get up and pick up on blackboard go rub off. Matter of fact, you not even want to get up in a teacher class because I'm going to ask where I get up for. You barely want to talk sometimes to the teacher them strict. And you are going to get up and go rub off things off a black. But see me dying try. The picnic are though easy, but listen to me. I feel we fault. You know why I feel we fault? We as parents, I grow the picnic them like some Lego beasts. No little discipline, no little nothing. We have some picnic still now where they are them yard. But them can't run certain joke. But when we there grow up, that message about what we do, I reach we yard as soon as we go up on the blackboard. Say no, we reach home, we dead. Matter of fact, we not reach home, my parents are going to reach the school. And we dead at school. My only concern I have is that the teacher never do nothing. Probably she hides her frustration, but she never even reported to the principal. You got to do that, teacher. You got to. How you feel? And what you would I do if you did the teacher and want to pick the get up and do that in a phone classroom? Let me message we could know what I'm going. Now when me there grow up, fighting is always going on in school. Always. They always have a fight, bro. As a matter of fact, I get beaten from one girl one day when I in early school. I get licked till I weak. To this day I shame because I make up my mind to I not fight her back. The fight is the one-sided. I get licked till I weak. But you always have some bad broken pitney where all them do are come to school just to fight every day. And you know what the problem? Again, it go back to the parents them. Because right now we get a news saying, one fight go on a Kingston Technical and one pitney stab one next pitney and she dead pan spot. Now listen to me people, it's not a joke thing now. We have to pray for them pitney, you know. We have to pray for them pitney. Because from the school term start, our worries, You don't realize every week something else go on school, What if you don't realize? A full time now Jamaica we take a hold of them pitney. Start teach them the right values and attitudes in our life. Make them know that violence is not the way. Violence now get nobody nowhere. And just pitting them alone, but are we too in a society? Because them must have pattern what they must see, The example we are set for them and that them a follow. So when them see somebody step on your clocks and you talk them in their face or tap them in their neck, I see same thing them gonna do. A full time now we do better Jamaica. And pray for them pitney up on a big man level. Pray for them pitney. Thanks so far back to the Patterns Network people. We're running some sporting news right now. Now, as everybody know by now, Jamaica play Argentina Tuesday night gone and we lose to Argentina 3-0. Now, the first thing, Jamaica never play too bad. The first half, them never really know what them do. They never know what them about. They just defend. But still, them give one goal or one easy goal in the first half because we did a ball watch. Now, in the second half now, we look like so we did ready to play some football and we start push the ball forward and get through some little spaces and something. But in the second half was when one Mr. Lionel Messi touch a pitch. And right there, so the foolishness start. Now, as you don't know, Messi look like him have the ball for one string pan him foot. It's very difficult to get the ball from him. And as him come on, him just take advantage of that. Him find a little gap and boom, goal. In less than 2 minutes, them foul him take a free kick, boom, goal. Now, we from Patterns Network now go try analyze the match through and tell them what go on and who never play, go and all them something. We left that to the other network then. We left that to people like Reggae Boys Commentary, 876 Stream, Coaches Dex. We left that to IMAX It Football, Sports Down the Middle, Military Guna TV, and so on and so forth. If you don't name, don't get called. On the door by the send me a message and say we never call the name from Patterns Network. But anyway, we left them thing to them people so they can go watch them or them analyze the game. The only thing we are going to say is that we could have played a little better, especially in the first half. We never feel like we would have win, but we never do too bad because we could have lose about 20 love. Especially if Messi did start the first half, it would have been worries. But we from Patterns Network though feel like say Mr. Al Grimson, aka Grimy, can take Reggae Boys to the next level. We feel like say him have the ability to do it, but he just need little time. But also, JFF need to fix up the party shop where them have a run. Next piece of news right now. So while everybody did so caught up with Argentina and Jamaica and how mesmerizing Messi was, especially the JFF team when they're supposed to go over there and provide support for Reggae Boys and them gonna get autograph and them thing there. Anyway, probably me would have do it too, so me not gonna say nothing. Only you know, so Jamaica Talawas make it to the final of CPL. They make it back and we're very happy over here, so because every year we custom so them play bat up and catch. But right now they make it back to the final and we are excited to watch them play. Now the team, whatever go play now, is Barbados Royals, which is a very dominant team. They almost never lose no match in a game, but we don't care about that because we little. But with Talawa, we can beat any team, so we're supposed to play them tonight, that a Friday night, to get the trophy. Jamaica Talawas, me beg you now, bring home the trophy, carry it back to my yard, we could celebrate and enjoy ourselves over the weekend. Yeah. But anyway, people, that's it for the news. That's it for Patterns Network today. I just want to tell you again, thanks so far back to the Patterns Network, the baddest news network on the planet. Big up on yourself. You're done.